Today, I'm taking you inside a highly controlled currency production facility, and I assure you, you're about to see the complete journey of Myanmar's 1,000 Kyat, from the very beginning all the way to the moment it reaches a customer. We start outside the factory, where you're seeing the trucks arrive with raw cotton. I'm showing you how security checks everything before they enter the facility. Now you're inside with me, and you're seeing the workers change into their cyan uniforms. Before they begin, they gather together for Buddhist prayer, and I'm showing you this important part of their morning before we move into the briefing. Now we're starting the production. You're seeing them unload the cotton and begin processing it. I'm showing you how the raw material is cleaned, separated and prepared as the first step towards producing the Myanmar 1,000 Kyat. From there, we're moving deeper into the production facility. You're seeing them transform the processed cotton through the next stages. While I'm showing you how each part of the process brings us closer to the finished currency. Now we're reaching the design stage. This is where you're finally seeing what we're making. I'm showing you the Myanmar 1,000 Kyat design with the sitting chinthe, its purple and green appearance, traditional Burmese details, and the denomination. Now the 1,000 Kyat money is entering production. You're seeing them produce the money and move it through the production line. I'm showing you how the finished 1,000 Kyat is checked carefully as it comes through. Next, you're seeing them separate the individual 1,000 Kyat money, align it, count it, and organize it into neat stacks. I'm showing you how the stacks are checked before they are bundled. Now we're moving to packaging. You're seeing them place the 1,000 Kyat bundles into cardboard currency boxes. They secure each box, and I'm showing you how everything is checked before transportation. Now you're following the same white truck with me as it leaves the factory. I'm showing you how the secured boxes travel to the next facility, where they are checked again before being unloaded. You're now seeing them move the boxes through the secure facility and towards the vault. I'm showing you how every stage is controlled until the boxes finally reach secure storage. Now the vault doors open. You're seeing them bring the cardboard boxes inside. And this is where I'm showing you the finished 1,000 Kyat money being organized into secure stacks. But we're still not finished. I'm showing you what happens after storage. You're seeing the 1,000 Kyat move into the banking system, where bank staff count and prepare the money for customers. You're seeing the teller count the 1,000 Kyat won last time and hand it across the counter. I'm showing you the moment the customer receives the money. And just like that, you followed the entire journey with me, from the first arrival of raw cotton, through every major production stage, into secure storage, and finally into a customer's hands. This is the complete journey of Myanmar's 1,000 Kyat.